she know the name of the
No!
You're going to let her go?
I can't.
You have to.
I can't!
During the break, you came back and talked to me and you were just fine. You were just calm as could be. Now you don't want me touching you. You don't want me coming near. It's not you, Wendy. It's the demons.
Came here. I've been so nervous since I came here, and I didn't know why. I kept grabbing his arm and just feeling so nervous. This minute I got in the room, I just felt so nervous, and I didn't know why. I've watched you on YouTube, but it's I just got so nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know.
It's been a tough life.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to put this behind you. Now look. Jezebel, you're not going anywhere. Jezebel, you're not going anywhere. No, I'm not going to stop, Jezebel. Jezebel, you're going to let this woman go. This torment is going to end. When did you get this woman? When did you get her? Did you always have her? Or did you get her with the incest and the rape? Huh? When did you get her? When did you get her? God, I strike you with judgment. When did you get her? Get your eyes open and look at me. When did you get her?
Rape.
The rape. What age? What age?
18!
Oh, you had her before then. If she was incested, you already had her. Maybe incest had her, and then you joined in with the rape, huh? Jezebel, how many generations does this evil go back? Jezebel, this is my sword of the Spirit. I'm going to... Get your eyes open and look at me. I'm going to put it through you. Make sure I've got your attention. How many generations does this curse go back?
15!
So for 15 generations, you've been molesting, incesting, and raping women in the bloodline. Mother's side or father's side? Answer me.
Both.
Does this go back to Africa?
Yes.
And there's a blood covenant.
Yes.
And a spiritual husband. See how easy this is, Jezebel. Jezebel, look at me. 15 generations ago. Sacrifice? Sacrifice?
Yeah.
Animal or human or both? Animal, human or both?
Animal.
No human?
Animal.
So you're there, and incest is there, and Python is there.
No.
Python is not there?
No.
Python is not there?
No.
No? Well, now wait a minute. Let's take this sword and see.
No.
Because if Python isn't there, he wouldn't mind his head being... Who's chief among you? Jezebel, incest, Python, blood covenant. Who's chief among you? Python? Get up, Python. Well, there you are. See the eyes dilate immediately?
Yeah.
Do you have legal authority to be in this woman?
No.
She doesn't want you, does she?
No.
She belongs to Christ, doesn't she? Doesn't she?
No.
I already cut off your head.
Oh, God.
I'm going to cut off your tail. I'm going to cut you off her spine. I take a threefold cord. I bind Python to all the spirits of this kingdom of evil. Rape, incest, Jezebel, Python. Did I miss anybody important? Is there anybody important that I missed? Answer me. I'll take that sword and put it through you. Who did I miss?
Mammon!
Mammon. So they did that ritual for money and power. They did that sacrifice for money and power. Mammon's there.
No!
If Mammon's there,
No!
Are you sure you're the most powerful spirit? Python? I think Mammon's more powerful than you. Oh, I can tell by the eyes. Say, I am Mammon!
I'm Mammon!
Bind to myself!
Bind myself
To Python.
to Python. To
Jezebel.
Python.
To Jezebel.
To Jezebel.
Rape.
Rape.
Incest.
Incest.
Witchcraft.
Witchcraft.
And blood covenant.
And blood covenant.
We lift the curse. Say, we lift the curse.
We live the curse.
15 generations
15 generations
of torment.
of torment.
Mammon, I put back on your head all the suffering of all the people for 15 generations. I put it back on you. 7 times greater. I torment you with it. I torment you with it. You have no right to this woman. Say, I am Mammon.
I'm Mammon.
Bound to the kingdom.
Bound to the kingdom.
Lift the curse
Lift the curse
on this woman's destiny.
on this woman's destiny.
We receive
We receive
the judgment
the judgment
of God.
of God.
We all
We all
go.
No.
Say, we the people of God agree.
No.
We the people of God agree.
Obey the man of God.
Obey the man of God.
Say, we go.
We go.
Say, we go.
we go
Now
now
to
to
the.
the
Do it. Yeah. Look at me. Say pit.
pit.
Come out! Come out! In the name of Jesus! Come out! Go! Go! Come on! Go! Go!
Out. Go out.
Go!
Go in Jesus' name.
Out.
Come on! Let's get going! If you'd like to learn more about spiritual warfare, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and see all the other ways we can teach you about how to overcome evil in your life. A one-stop place with all the information at your fingertips is our website, boblarson.org. There you can see how to take the free demon test to see if you have a demon. You can also see what books we have available. I recommend, if you're looking for one to get started, our book, Curse Breaking. Also, at the website, you can learn how to enroll in our International School of Exorcism and to have your very own virtual one-on-one spiritual encounter. All these opportunities, by God's grace, we make available to you so that spiritually you can know how to get free, stay free, and live free.
Your financial support and prayers make it possible for us to bring hope for the hurting and freedom to those in spiritual bondage. For the latest information regarding ministry outreaches, go to boblarson.org or call 303-980-1511.